So when we started talking about 2-4 solving equations containing integers, we created one of our foldables to help us with this. X plus 3 is equal to 7 is the same thing as saying 3 plus x is equal to 7. We can either start with the variable or start with the constant, but this is an addition equation, and to solve an addition equation, we're going to use the inverse operation, which is subtraction. We're going to use the subtraction property of equality to solve that equation. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. We talked about we would have to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. The 3's create a 0 together. They cancel each other out. They're additive inverses. We have x is equal to 4. This equation here is the same thing as saying 3 plus x is equal to 7. We have to subtract 3 from both sides, just like we did before, and we cancel the 3's out to get x is equal to 4. The imaginary sign in front of this 3 is a positive sign. That's why we have to subtract 3. This is the kind of a question that a lot of us were having difficulty with today. The other kind we were having difficulty with is when we have a subtraction equation. We can either have x minus 5 or negative 5 plus x. Regardless, we have to use the addition property of equality and add the constant to both sides of the equation to cancel it out. When we have x minus 5 is equal to 17, we have to add 5 to both sides to get x is equal to 22. So I'm going to take my colored pencil and show that these 5's cancel each other out. I'm going to circle them to create a 0. Let me just focus a little bit. And they're going to cancel each other out. Wipe out. Okay, we're then going to do the same thing over here. These 5's cancel each other out. Create a 0. And both ways we get x is equal to 22. This is what I'm going to review with you right now. Do some other problems. That way, if you're having trouble with your homework, you can go back and review the video or review our notes from class today to help you.